avoid this. If you're having really hard time with your chamfer foils, it's not going to listen to you, this Pixie will definitely gonna back you up every single time. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on just on the diagonals, and make sure that you'll cover them, because if you're not, then it's not going to chamfer for me. So I'm go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds, and then you can choose of any like part of your foil. You can pick up this part, or you can do this part however you would like, or like this part, the whatever veinings that you like and the patterns that you like, you can definitely place it on the nails and have fun with this. And after we're done with the foils, I'm gonna do some cute like crystal charms designs using of these two cuties, one mix bags and then the mix jars in the special in the sub box that I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and chamfer, give it a good wham it. Give it a good pressure. And I just did like just diagonals only. And it's coming out. Beautiful. Great, so now, if you don't want anything else, you can definitely top coat and let it go. Or if you want to do like really cool veinings with the chamfer foil, you can definitely do it as well. So should we do that? And then we can do crystal, or if I do crystal, it's gonna cover the veinings.
You suggest anything first, or maybe just one solid piece?
No, I can do the foil. All right, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get this one. Just doing a veinings using the like have a cute veinings using the foil, like a more of shiny, like more like a mirror effects. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and top coat it first, because you don't want a tacky layer of this will affect it. So I'm gonna using the no wipe top coat and clear this first. And clear it for 60 seconds. Yeah. This is just the option for you if you don't want anything else, and then the clients don't want a line painting. You can definitely do this and give it like a more of the chromes effects for your clients. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the one drop of premium eye chamfer foil, and I'm gonna using the brush, single brush number 4, and we are going to pick up some premium eye chamfer foil, and we're gonna draw like kind of a cute line, like really thin line. All right, so let's see what's up with this one. I tried to go like right side by side with this. It looks so shiny. All right, I'm go ahead and clear this for 30 seconds. You can see that I draw the lines like along with that. But this is just options, just some idea for you if you don't want anything else, your clients don't want, or yourself don't want any of crystal design, and you don't want anything else, you can definitely create that. And then we're gonna using this kits. You can either do this or this, either way.
The rainbow.
Rainbow?
More colorful.
Is this a rainbow? It looks like a rainbow. Okay. And I'm gonna using the tweezer and give it good pressure down. Let's see what's up with this. Yeah, it looks so cute. It's the rainbow though. That's cool. Alright, a chance for everything. If you want your vents to be thicker, you can do thicker. You want to do like simple, you can definitely do simple, however you would like. So now if you love it so much, you don't want to destroy this, you can do crystal placement in here and leave this beautiful pot alone. If you want to do it in here and a diagonal design, you can do too. So either way. Which one should we do? Don't do anything. Put this one back in. This like the foil number 14. Well, I think no, it's the different, like a mini one. But okay, so let's do some just a little bit crystal. Just a little bit. I promise we're not gonna destroy this cute beauty. All right. Okay. So a little bit of condensed glue gels. Really thick density. I'm so excited. If you any of a Glitz babe here, you have your friend, your family, whoever, or even yourself, you are in Pensacola's, you're familiar with the Glitz Nail Bar and Spa, our sister business, and was gonna be like fully open and have a lot of cute space opening for is for boot rental for the nail technicians who's definitely want to pursue your dream and have, you know, a great environments and good salons, good quality salons, good clientele in town. So would love to have your referral. That'd be awesome, because you never know, you are going to do a favor for one of the talented nail tech in town, so then they can able to get an opportunity working with us and be your own boss. If you are here in Pensacola, or if you have any friends in Pensacola. So we're taking the applications for the boot rentals right now. So anyone's like really excited, and either you are just graduate from school or looking for a great environments of working with a lot of supports and good clientele, please let them know or send them to our way. That would be awesome. So I really like this one, but then it's gonna be white on white, you know. What you think?
With frame, you look good.
This looks cute. But you know, you can do the white one, and then you can put like a cute pink centerpiece. I'm gonna do white on white. Cute. All right, so I'm gonna get some of this one from my mixed bags. Lily, thank you, Lily, for tuning in. The best thing about condensed glue gel and no web top coat, which is Trifecta combo, like Trifecta, and then it's the great thing about it is you have all the time in the world to create the designs, and you can able to adjusting it before you are going to key it. So then if you, just in case you like me when I did just now and just need to adjusting it, you can definitely do that first. It will not set, it will not dry until you are going to cure. So you have all the time in the world to adjusting your crystal designs, charm chains, and however you want, the way you want it, and then key it later. And in the frame still. All right, happy with this. We're going to key this for 60 seconds. Flash key first because I'm gonna do some cute crystal in there.